SMC Trade Generator Pebble Beach Triggers. What in the world is this? SMC, a stock market caddy. Trade generator is just what it is. It's a trade generator, and we denote or nickname this particular robot for trading stock the Pebble Beach, because it is a beautiful, beautiful system. What does it do and how does it work? Well, let me share with you. The first column is the stock itself. And so here we have the S&P 500 scanning live real time. The interval is a daily. We're looking for daily trading opportunities, not intraday, but daily. We could do some intraday, but we're going to look for dailies. This is the last price. This is the net change. And this is the trigger. And you see here a Pebble Beach buy. It will also give you, PB stands for Pebble Beach. But I'll show you, this is Pebble Beach buy, and it said to buy EOG at 96.19. 96.19. That was today. The stop level recommended was at that time 92.88. It didn't come anywhere close to that. And the amount of money you would be up if you had bought a $10,000 block of shares. That's what that would be. Now, if you wanted just to trade, a couple of shares, or more, that's up to each person. But the trade purse has to be set at something, and we set it for a block of money at 10,000. We can do that up here. And then this tool over here tells us where we are with EOG. Here is the trend axis. And then this is a meter, a greed meter. It's relative, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and euphoria. They are just a feeding frenzy on EOG in euphoria. Probably going higher, probably. And we also have a meter in measuring fear when things get to be a panic sell. As a general rule, my style of trading is to sell the most extreme euphoric stocks up here for a few days. I might do that with shares. I might do that with options. Most of the time I'll do that with options. And over here, when they're in panic, many times I'll want to be a buyer. I don't want to do what is known as selling or shorting in the hole. And this is all being done real time. And you might say, well, that's interesting. And you can see here, look at AMD up $15. That just running. So what do we have for today? Well, let's sort. And there they are. Now, this is pretty interesting. These are all reversal signals. Oh, by the way, I forgot the most important part. The trigger. What is it based on? You want to know. It's based on a candle formation. The most probable candle formation you could have for a buy signal or a sell signal. A highly probable candle pivot. It's beautiful. And it also looks for those opportunities when the conditions are extreme. So all of these here, you can see these are just today. So here was, let's start from here, there are 25. XLY was a buy. And you'd be up $76. And this is how much you would be up or down if you had taken any one of these signals. And in fact, out of 25 positions, it is profitable in all but one. All but one. It is a bit of a contrarian signal, or I don't want to say contrarian, a counter trade, looking for the counter trades. You can also sort, as you saw over here, if you want to get what are the most extreme. Here they are in the S&P 500, or the most extreme panic sell where you might want to be buying for the next few days. A beautiful tool. A robot assisted trading device. Now, can these generate signals right on a chart to automatically go in? Yes, they can. But, if you have just a little bit of trading skill, acquired trading skill, having such a tool can really help your overall consistency and your overall confidence. Now, these are the trades that we put on earlier today. Now, we didn't get the best entry on Bib, and we're down $300 on Bib. I'm okay with that. Booking.com could be a big payout. We're counter trading that. Booking was one that was in euphoria. It was up over here. And we went, and what did we do? We got a put on Booking. And we did the same thing with EOG. Even though EOG, you might say, well, you got a buy signal. Yes, but I also took a look at this euphoric position, and I thought that this might be just burning itself out, and I thought it might be a good risk-reward trade. And it looks like it's going to do okay, and maybe we'll make a few shekels today. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. If you are learning to trade and you want to become more disciplined, more mechanical, to get the emotions of greed and fear out, and you want to become more confident, you want to develop an approach that is systematic, repeatable, a golf swing that repeats. Notice, I did not say my system or a system. No, at Stock Market Caddy, we're not making any claims or suggestions that any one of our tools is going to automatically print you money. But we do believe that our tools in the hands of a good fundamental trader with good acquired trading skill and patience and discipline, that trader is going to do pretty darn well. These tools are available to see nightly for trading opportunities for our monthly members, which we have quite a few that do. And if you are a full-time trader or want to be a full-time trader and want these tools like the SMC Trade Generator on your desktop, that can happen through an annual membership. You're welcome to give me a call. I can be reached at 813-758-8263. Good luck, everybody.